Welcome to our tutorial about the relationship command. In this tutorial, I'll show you a glitch that happens frequently when one is creating relationships between tables. I'll also show you how you can get around this. Let's right-click on our Employees table and select Open Table Definition. Click the Relationship button. Right now, the foreign key Inventory_Employees is pre-selected. Let's say you're in a situation when the selected relationship field is empty. We'll delete this relationship. Now let's click Add. The foreign key shows up as Employees_Employees. I click on Table and Column Specifications and watch what happens. The primary key table is correct and available. I need employees. We select it. And let's select our primary key, Employee ID. Now let's go over to the foreign key table. We want to select inventory, but for some reason we're not able to. We don't have any drop-down menu available to us. We do have the option to select a foreign key column, but we're not able to select which table we'd like to use. That's the glitch that I was mentioning before. Now, how do we get around this? Let's cancel out of this for now and close. Right now, the employee table is open. Let's close it. No. Now right-click on Inventory and select Open Table Definition. Let's do the same thing. Click Relationships. The selected relationship is Inventory_Employees. If we delete it and now try to add something, we've got Inventory_Inventory. Basically, what happens is that the foreign key table is pre-selected as inventory. In our case, that's the right table, so we can leave it as is. From the primary key table drop-down menu, I'm able to select a new table, and the employee ID is my primary key. If you get in a situation like this and it's confusing, just watch this video again to help you sort it out. This concludes our tutorial about the relationships command.